All right, guys, here we go. We've had a number of requests for another video on natural gas futures. This is a daily chart every candles, 1 day of price action on natural gas. And we've been short since this range up here. And we'll show that our personal account here in a second. But anyway, two really strong factors here that we want to make mention to and give you some freebie here to help improve your trading, investing future. We hit obviously a little double top up here. The further away the double top or triple top is, the bigger the space is between them or the bottom, the stronger it is. Okay, that's number one. Number two, when you make a new near-term high, okay, so this was, the previous highs through here, made a new near-term high, 70% of the time that fails, okay? So 70% of the time that you make a new high, it fails. And then we had another 70% candle form here. When you get a bullish engulf, I'm sorry, a bearish engulfing, what we call clearing takeout candle. So it takes out everything to the left here. Then you have a 70% probability that you're going to, roll to the downside. And then I'll give you here's another little trick. When you get a two up, in other words, have a big red candle, and you get two green candles closing up into it, and a little caveat here, the more shallow, the better. In other words, if they had closed, they'd moved up into this range and then closed, you don't have as high a odds and probability that you'll roll over on that third candle. See that red candle here? But if when they close, very deep into to the bottom of that red candle, then you have pretty good odds probability that you're going to take out this bottom here and keep rolling to the downside. Then once you get under the 20, you kind of waterfall. Okay, so that's where we are, and here's our UNG, and right here, as you can see, that's exactly where we took our short position. And then this blue dash line, coincidentally, is a measured move zone that our Patreon members know about. So I can't tell you about that one. I've already given away a few free things. But anyway, we'll see if we have, uh, confirmation of a possible, reversal here. Then we'll switch from long to short. But in the meantime, thanks so much for watching. Check us out on Twitter and check out our Patreon members group if you want to be a withdrawer as opposed to a depositor in the market, meaning that you're withdrawing money, week to week, once a month, whatever, rather than depositing, having to put money back into your account because Wall Street's taking it out. Okay. The reason why I know that because I was there one time too. Okay. So anyway, I know the feeling. But if you want to, learn this stuff, you only need a few techniques. You don't have to have a PhD, uh, in any type of investing, marketing, or whatever. Don't let Wall Street, fool you. You can come from nothing, absolutely nothing, like I did, and learn how to do this stuff. But all right, guys, thanks again, and have a great rest of your week.